So, hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to build a simple calculator using if else statements using conditional statement. Okay. So, let me open my Visual Studio Code and I will name it as video number 8, right? Yeah. So, this is video number 8. Video 8. Perfect. Okay. So, it is taking some time. So, video number 8. So, you have to build a simple calculator. So, what is the basic idea of building a calculator? The basic idea of building a calculator is like this. So you have to take two inputs, right? Take two inputs, like a equals to int int input enter. So this is enter first number. Okay. And in second one, b equals to, I just copy this one, just modify it. I just modify this one as second. So a equals to input first number and b equals to input second number. So to build a simple calculator, so how does a calculator actually work? So when you open your calculator, you have to write a some value like 22 plus 56 like this, or like 636 minus like 78, something like this, right? So what you are taking? You are taking two variables, 22 and 56, two variables. This one is a and this one is b. And what is this middle one? You can name it as a third variable. So what is the common idea? So I am taking two variables, a and b. Okay. Now I have to take another variable, that is the operator, that is the middle one, right? Plus, divide or multiplication. So over here I will take operator input. So I'll show you why I'm taking only input, not writing int or float before writing input like this. At first I have taken like input over here also on input, but over here I am just taking only input y. So I will explain this on my next video when I will explain you strings. I will explain you why I am just taking input. So the basic idea of taking only input is that I am taking a string. Okay. So just remember it for now. I will teach you in my next videos. So enter operator. So what will be the operator? So I will use over here. So same, it is nothing but same. So what I will use, if. My condition will start from now. So if operator equals to. So in case of this one, you just have to remember that while writing an int or float, you are writing directly like this, int. So for now you must have written like a equals to something, like a equals to something like 90. So these all are like integer values or float values. That is why you are writing without inverted commas. But as I have told you, this operator is a string. So this operator is a string, right? That is why you are taking only input, not writing int or float before writing this input. So if you are writing only input, so this means you are taking a string. So to denote string, you have to write always in this inverted commas. So what are string? These all are strings only. See, enter a number, it is under double inverted comma. So all those values which are inside this double inverted comma are string. So my operator is a string. So in this operator I am taking plus inside of this double inverted comma. So if operator is equals to plus, what you have to do? You have to do print a plus b. Okay. So I'll just copy it. No, I'll just use elif condition. I'll write it one by one so that you can understand. Elif. I'll just copy this one. So now, what if the operator is not plus, it is minus? What you have to do? You have to do print. So I have missed one double inverted comma. Semicolon. Print a minus b. Okay, same like this. Now I am copying this one. Okay, so if, see, you have to check if you are here print, and now I write over here star. So if the operator is a star, you have to print multiplication, right? So print a into b. And now in my next condition I can use, if I want I can use like else statement I can use, because all the truth statements are over, plus minus division, multiplication is over. If I want I can multiply like this, print something like that. But what if someone by mistakenly press some other operator thing, like he must have clicked some like mod values or given dollar. Okay, so by mistakenly you may have pressed thing like A or B, something like that. So what to do in case of that? So that is why I am not using elif condition, else condition. I will use my else elif condition. So in my elif condition I write if elif operator, so copy this one, if elif condition, if operator is this division symbol, what you have to do, A divided by B. And my next condition what will be, if someone by mistakenly press any something different values, in this one I will write else print, just you can print like this error or something you want, whatever you want, as per your choice you can print. So this is the way how a calculator works. So I'll show you how this works. I'll just CLS this one and then I'll run it. So enter your first number. My first number is 25. Okay, enter my second number is 25. So 25 plus 25. Now I will enter my operator and I will enter my operator as plus. Then if I will press enter, it will show 25 plus 25 is 50. See, this is 50, right? Because as I am pressing plus, this one is working, not all this. Okay, so this one will only work if condition is plus, if operator is plus, it will do A plus B. So let me try again with different values. I'll run it again and enter my first number as 25, and then I'll press enter. My second value is 25 and my operator is something like this, division. So 25 divided by 25 is always 1, so it will return 1.0. Okay, so let me try with some different, I will express any different values in this operator. So I write 65 and I will write over 65, and in this operator if by mistakenly I press something like this hash or dollar, something like this, because hash is not given, hash is not defined, what to do if the operator is a hash or something. So if I will press hash over here, what it will do, it will show error, not this one. So I'll press enter and this one will work. Okay, this one, because hash condition is not given, there is only plus, minus, star and division. Hash is not given, so if I press hash in case of operator, it will show error. See, this one will work because hash is not falling in any of these four. Okay, this one is plus, this one is minus, this one is star, this one is division. So hash is not there, so this is hash is under this one, else condition. So as it is in else condition, it will show error. Okay, this is how a simple calculator works. If you want, you can add like another values like if operator is something like operator equals to something like this mod. What you have to do, you know what is mod, print a mod b. So it will print a mod b. So I'll run it. See, I write 45 and over here is 25. So my operator is now mod, so I'll write this one. So 45 mod 25 is always 20. So this is the answer. Okay, that's all for now. See you in my next video. If you have any doubt, please put a comment in my comment box and I will check your error and I will tell you what you have done.